Unlock seamless in-store shopping with your Revi virtual credit card, even if you left your physical wallet at home. First things first, ensure you have the Revi app downloaded and your virtual credit card is activated and ready to go. Think of this app as your digital wallet for your Revi card. The magic happens at checkout. When you're ready to pay, simply open your Revi app and navigate to your virtual credit card details. You'll see your card number, expiry date, and CVV right there on your screen. For contactless payments, which are increasingly common, look for the contactless payment symbol on the merchant's card reader. Then, simply hold your smartphone with the Revi app open and displaying your virtual card details near the terminal. Your phone, via near-field communication or NFC technology, will securely transmit your virtual card information to the payment terminal. You might hear a confirmation beep or see a confirmation message on the screen. If contactless isn't an option or you prefer to be more hands-on, most Revi virtual cards will have a virtual card number you can manually enter. You'll either read out or type in the card details displayed in your Revi app to the cashier. Always verify the purchase amount on the terminal or with the cashier before confirming the transaction. Your Revi virtual credit card gives you the power of convenient, card-free shopping. And that's it. Enjoy the freedom of using your Revi virtual credit card for all your in-store purchases, bridging the gap between digital convenience and traditional shopping environments, all from your smartphone.